Hi, I'm Sarah and I am Functional Rustic. Welcome to part 3 of the Functional Rustic DIY tutorial video on how to turn a fork into a functional rustic business card holder or photo display. Like I said, this is part 3. Thank you for all of those that have been following along the whole time. In part 1, we learned how to fold these over and turn this part of the fork into something pretty spectacular. If you want to see how to do that, go to part 1 of the video. That ended abruptly when I dropped something on the keyboard and it stopped recording. So in part 2, we had to deal with the fact that it wasn't functioning. It kept falling over. And what I did to troubleshoot that, problem solve, is I bent it. So where we ended part 2 of the video, had this in the vise and I was pushing it forward to cause it to have that shape. And then I lost power to the laptop and the video once again cut out. This is just another day at Functional Rustic. Things go wrong all the time and you figure out how to fix it so you can accomplish your goal. It's kind of a life lesson over here. Woo. And now in part 3, it's just validation. I've worked really hard to get here. We've all endured quite a bit. And now it's your turn to show me what you've learned. Get yourself a fork, a lighter, some needle nose pliers, and a vise, and let me see what you can create. Once you've got that created, take some photos, take a video tutorial yourself, and upload them to DIY Projects of Facebook so that all of us can see what's going on. And until then, go to functionalrustic.com and shop in the Functional Rustic store, or check out the Functional Rustic library and see other tutorials of things I've built in the barn.